For over 10 years, Smart Gas Utilities Ltd have covered every corner of Great Britain. With our team of gas-safe registered engineers installing and maintaining gas meters on behalf of independent gas transporters such as GTC and ES Pipelines. Founded and led by Jim Lamb, who has over 40 years of experience in the gas industry and is directly involved with the company's daily to-day activities. Smart Gas Utilities is an Ofgem approved meter installer, OAMI, and holds qualifications to perform meter installs and exchanges on both low and medium pressure sites. In addition, we can also exchange emergency control valves, ECVs, and perform repairs and replace gas meter boxes. In an industry which is constantly developing and evolving, Smart Gas Utilities in the last 5 years has expanded its operations into the distribution side of the industry, offering a record recovery service of underground utilities. Utilising the best equipment available, we can trace underground infrastructures, primarily focusing on gas pipework, but also covering electric and water. We offer assistance to network owners in order to recover their assets, producing relevant paperwork, i.e. service cards, main certificates, and as-laid drawings to support indemnity, depending on the nature of the site and the level of recovery required. We have a range of specialist equipment to handle the task, such as the gas tracker. This operates by sending a pulse into a PE pipe, which is picked up by a receiver, which in turn sends a signal onto a handheld device. Our team can track this signal to determine the location of the mains and surfaces, marking this up on the services in the process. This information can then be accurately marked up on a map of the gas network. This technique is critical in tracing the mains and services which would normally require an excavation. Our engineers are also trained in the use of ground-penetrating radar, a simple and dependable tool for quickly and easily locating or mapping underground utility assets. We also offer service and/or mains camera surveys, whereby a camera is inserted into a service or main to investigate issues such as debris, water ingress, and poor gas pressure to properties. We also are able to carry out gas leakage surveys by utilising our flame ionisation detectors. Our engineers use the FIDs to sweep the surface, allowing our engineers to detect any gas present within an accuracy of 10,000 ppm. Smart Gas Utilities Ltd team of engineers are experienced, well equipped, and a driving force in the gas industry. Think safe, think secure, think Smart Gas Utilities Ltd.